Hi, this is Shreya from Raw Stories by HOK. So, I'm heading out to a space out at our community. So, this is just show you all that, how businesses actually take efforts. Like I say, they're so transparent, certain businesses. Okay, the light is too much. Yeah. So yeah, basically what I want to say here is, the effort that certain businesses take, to make people happy. Basically, when they say customer satisfaction, I think certain businesses go out of their way, and one such brand here in Coimbatore is Appupas Bakery. Many of you all must be aware of it already. So they literally go to communities and place their confectionaries for everybody to enjoy, coming all the way to your doorstep. So I'll put glimpses of it in the video. You can have a look at it as well. I'm on my way there now. I'll show you some. And just here to tell that, so Raw Stories always believes in authenticity, trueness, and their taste is also, really amazing. So if you're in Coimbatore, in and around, Appupas is a must try. Go check it out, and I'll show you what all they have today. So yes, I've reached the spot. Let me show you all.
I'm 840, ma'am.
Children are all excited. They've spaced it out here in our community, so literally children can hog and dodge on it certain days. So they're all yummy, yummy, yummy stuffs.
I said you before this Appupa.
Wow.
Yeah, like again they've come. So you said last time that next time when they come, we can buy candy.
Look at this.
அண்ணா அந்த கேக் எவ்வளோண்ணா?
எந்த கேக் மொத்தமா?
அதுக்குள்ள ஒயிட் கலர்ல இல்ல அதுக்குள்ளண்ணா
90 rupees.
இல்லண்ணா கப்ல இருக்குல்லண்ணா.
கப்ல வெரைட்டிஸ் நிறைய இருக்கு.
Can you pass my cycle? One second. 100. அண்ணா இந்த கேக்னா?
Hi. We got a lot of stuff. So yeah, do check out if you're in Coimbatore, Appupas. So I think this brand's there since ages. Many of them are aware of it. But yeah, go ahead to Appupas. It's at Sai Baba Colony. And yeah, I think they also visit your community, so watch for it. Bye.